Today I didn't have much time to create a proper video, so I thought I would create something small and fun and easy to create. So I thought I would create a typewriter effect for text, and yeah, let's go ahead. So I have gone ahead and created a basic HTML template, and I created a p tag with some text in here, a main.js file and main CSS file that have nothing right now in them. So to create a typewriter effect, first I want to get rid of the text inside the p tag and put it inside an attribute named, let's say text. Okay, I also need a speed attribute equals to, let's say, 50. You will see later what we will need it. Let's create some more to have some more fun. 30, let's say 40 and 90. Okay, save. Now typewriters should have a proper font family, so let's go ahead and change the font family. Let's see, font family mono space. Nice. Now let's head into the JavaScript part. First I need to get the collection of the typewriter effect-ish elements. So typewriters equals to document get elements by tag name, let's say p. I will get all the paragraphs. For let I equals to 0, I smaller than typewriters length, I plus plus. Okay, this will iterate in this collection. What should I do next? I don't know. Let's see. First I need to get the speed, so let speed equals to typewriters I get attribute speed. Okay, and what else? I got the speed and I need a function, so let typewrite equals to a function that will do some stuff. So I got the speed. I need an initializer, so let's say j equals to 0, and I'm stuck. Typewriters I text content equals to, let's see, I need to get the text, so let text equals to typewriters I get attribute text. So we got the text, and set text char at j plus plus. And now comes the magic part. Set timeout. Speed will be the timer, and we'll need to call the typewrite function. Typewrite. Yeah, I've got a mistake here. Nice. Is that all? Let's see. Refresh. it does nothing. Let's find out why. So typewriter is equals to document get elements by tag name P. Yeah, I've got that. For let I equals to 0, I smaller than the typewriter's length. Yeah, that's correct. I'm inside. Am I? Console log inside. Debugging at its finest. 4 times, which is correct. Yeah, we have 4 P elements. Okay, I'm inside. Here I have the function and why is this function not called? Why are you not called recursively? Oops. I was run. No, was not run. Why are you not working? Let typewrite. Oh. I forgot to call it actually. Typewrite. Yeah. Uncaught reference error. J is not defined. J is not defined. Oh, I've got a typo here. Refresh. Typewrite is not defined at typewrite. Why are you not defined? Oops, another typo. I have to learn to get rid of my typos. Whoa, what? Ooh, another typo. And we have our typewriter. We have our typewriter. So that's all for today. As I said, I did not want to not create a video. So yeah, I've got something small on the fly. Yeah, I hope you liked it. And please click the like button if you did. And I would really love to see you subscribe. See you tomorrow.